use to keep alive for as long as possible. Shaz taken down. Burberry found him. Hydration now going to turn around with a barrage to try and make the difference, but he's cut down. Great shield placement from Gesture. His bubble, it appears in midair.
There's a Hanzo on this side. I'm talked.
Okay, I mean, I'm ready to charge through instantly.
Get him, get him.
Okay, I'm not charging through.
Yo, Judge.
Get the TP.
Oh shit!
What the fuck? You guys want to see something crazy? God damn it, dude.
I had a box of trash, so how do I dispose of it? I started getting scared and getting anxious, dude. And moving out, one of the big stresses of moving out was the box, dude. I was scared of the box, dude. What am I gonna do with the box? So then what I did is that I left the box there. And then when I left the apartment, I left some stuff in it, like some trash and shit.
A couple seasons
and I told them,
you play.
hey guys, hey apartment, I have a few items I need to dispose of.
No, great. Right now.
There's a few items and shit, and they said we're not gonna charge you for it. It's part of the move out service. I'm like, you know what, dude? Sure. Go ahead. And then they haven't talked to me since, so yeah. They took care of the items, of course. But little did they know, dude. There's a fucking actual box full of literal ghosts, dude. Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if something actually grew to that. Yeah, I'm in.
I'm angry.
We will deliver them from the burden. Us as Team Canada will try our best to go on stage and take them down, boys. We will battle for fairness, boys. When we roll up on stage, boys, and we smack them, boys, and they hand me the mic, dude. If I get, you know, if they hand me the mic, dude, hey, QC, hey, a decent performance out there. It was good. What did you think about the, what did you think about, what on stage happened? What do you think? This for my boy Sleepy. This for my boys who got rolled. Get fucked! Rolled! See you next year, bitches!
They've never been able to finish him down. Mistakes finds the targets he's looking for. That's actually a really nice play from Boombox to use his body to drop it up. Mistakes!
Denied! Mistakes back into it, gets the kill on Neptuno. Let's go!
Yeah, let me know before you Genji Blade and stuff so I can pop out and damage boost you.
Well, we're about to combo together.
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Move it, move it, move it, move it!
Grab.
Nice!
Oh my god!
Please tell me it's that?
Genji discarded.
Rezzing.
And you won?
Lucio.
Keep his team alive there, and Gesture just got completely obliterated. Chaz not really worrying about wasting the bullets, probably using about as many as the Australians did in the Great Emu War, and it's going to be enough. Birdring is down, and the London Spitfire are way out of position. They know that.
Gladiators team room as they prepare to take on the Spitfire. Not present in the room is main tank Fisher, who, as we mentioned, will not be starting for LA. iRemix will be getting the start at main tank for the Gladiators. Mr. X, what is the drop-off from MVP candidate to iRemix?
It's 100 now. What's up, bitches?
Wait, that's a thing?
Wait, guys, what? Can we have a moment of silence?
Loud noises in the microphones are funny!
Ah! Oh, those are really funny, aren't you guys?
Oh wow, where's your mics right now? People, no, there's a fucking mics, it's fucking game, but when they
try and do it.
I think he's gonna either switch to Widowmaker. Yep. He's gonna be the play. He's gonna switch to Widow.
I'm gonna call this the merry-go-round because it makes me laugh, makes me happy, and Shortfall switches to the Widowmaker at just the right time. Closer drops down, and it's a day at the shooting range for Lane Roberts. The Canadian superstar unloads on the Spitfire, and they get completely smashed. Sometimes, Matt, the best laid plans fail, but not this one.
Change. Striker is on the flank right now. Could get in position, and yeah, this is going to be the deep dive coming in from Boston, holding nothing back. Striker finds the kill on Neptuno. Just like they lost Kellis the last time for Boston, well, Kellis will get traded, and so now it comes down to who gets the kills. And well, Philadelphia Fusion right now, Carpe just popping off.
He's in trouble though, that's why his tank's trying to body block that Tracer's hunting, and that's a great job by Hoppa to make sure that Striker cannot finish the kill on Carpe, who is barely alive.
There is a window of opportunity here for Boston. They might.
It is. No, but Carpe is...
Hey, I was watching England did it. World Cup was just about...
Been a while since I'd an exit. New place? Cool.
Donations about World... So, someone ever said it. Dude, you start your stream as soon as World... Holy shit. Dude, someone fucking save me, dude. Someone fucking save me. For fuck's sakes. Please stop talking about the World Cup, dude. I'm actually about to fucking lose my mind. Jesus Christ.
Did you hear? Did you hear the good news?
What happened?
Yo, in the world... Hold up, I just had a heat stroke.
Dude, I had a brain cog deficiency. Jesus Christ.
England is no longer in the...
Watch this when you get a chance.
Moving. A few times they've been able to kill Shaz, but it just gets res right up. That's a big pick there from Shirkwar on the Vidoshin. Deny some healing and damage as well with those Discord.
I mean, you've got to know that the Gladiators at this point have pushed forward. Shortfall has all the real estate and all the sidelines.
But Jonak right there. You can run, but you can't hide from this guy.
When I grow up, I want to be Jonak.
Jonak will show that he is still not a Zenyatta to be messed with.
Look at this! Look at the vengeance!
Jonak making sure the job's done right.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the deadliest Zenyatta in the league!
They just need to lock down this defense.
Another dragon in. The dragons have been coming out.
We're back. Well, perfect. Name a more iconic duo. Name a more iconic duo, dude. Oh, god damn it, dude. Alright, here we go.
Our two quarterfinal series kick off today, and there's a big storyline for our second match between the Spitfire and Gladiators. Fisher, the Gladiators' main tank and MVP candidate, will not be in the starting lineup for Los Angeles. The team plans to release a statement explaining the move later this evening. Fisher has been a force against his former team, London, all season long. But iRemix will get the start in place of Fisher. Mr. X, what kind of effect could this have on the match?
This is not going to have a good one for the Gladiators. I know Fissure, at least in my opinion, I had him as...
Son?
Chat, what a lot of you don't actually know is I was actually almost offered a Zen contract for Overwatch League at one point.
Score 0-2. Switching sides.
Leaks?
Prepare to attack.
Not a leak. It was not for Dallas though.
Dude, I thought, dude, with all the new bits, dude, with all the new people coming in, dude, I think we can afford a new chair, dude. And so did we invest in the new chair, boys. Do you want me to do a showcase? Look at it.
XQCR.
Look at the back. Look at the back. This was the most This is the most expensive thing on this one. The marble back, white creme. It's the creme color. That shit was fucking expensive, dude. Dude, it's a rare type of earth marble exported from South Africa, dude. It cost a fortune, dude. Dude, listen, boys. It might have cost everything I own and maybe even a kidney, but at least we got it. That's all I care about. Hell yeah. For the stream, dude. For the stream quality. Hell fucking yeah.
Genji? Oh, I fucked up. My bad. Stop it! Stop it! Get out of here. Go away.
Oh no. That's so bad.
Oh, your critters are nice.
You gotta get him out of here, Sam. Holy shit, your family gonna
looks like they're
blame
coming
me,
like
but he's
right
a
or
bad
left,
mouth.
not really sure.
What did I get? What did I get?
Dude, you cannot do that. You cannot. Please.
Only Asian fucks watch that boring shit.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh.
He can sort of walk out. What did he try to do?
I think he's going to either switch to Widowmaker. Yep. That's going to be the play. He's going to switch to Widow.
I'm gonna call this the merry-go-round because it makes me laugh, makes me happy, and Shortfall switches to the Widowmaker at just the right time. Closer drops down, and it's a day in the shooting range for Lane Roberts.
Big slam. It's just your XCC.
Huge. What the fuck?
It's me! It isn't just me! It's me and my fucking muscles! Hell fucking yeah, boy! Look at those! Look at those! Look at those! Dude, look at those! Look at those! He says I'm alone, what a joke, dude.
I used the TP.
Holy shit! I got a pig.
I mean, the Gladiators, the way they played today, it's going to be difficult.
Gladiators dominated throughout stage 4, continuing on that hot streak here in the playoffs. And let's take a look back at today's results. It all started with Philadelphia taking down Boston Uprising in a much closer match than we originally expected. Philly, despite the bad maps, gets the job done 3-1. But I think the biggest surprise, without a doubt, is what we just witnessed.
Yeah, the 3-0. I mean, I was assuming it was going to be a 3-0, just not in that direction, to be honest.
Oh, I killed somebody with that! I used the TP and charged through it and charged it.
Point 3, we heard the Gladiators, we saw them clutching up, but I want to take a moment and just crank up their headphones. Let's go to a listen in, presented by Dolby.
Hear that? Yep. I'm going right there. Save the console. Save. This guy to bottom left. I gotta touch. I'm dragging point. Monkey's holding me. I'm hitting. They're really far back. Touch point. Ross Locker. I'm messing hard. Point. I'm holding you back. I'm on. I'll tap. No, I'm on. Good point. Point. Watch out, Rodo. Nice. Let's go, baby.
12 players on the map can lead to all kinds of chaos, but Josh, you're one of our experts here on the desk. What were you hearing there? What are the key calls that our fans at home should be paying attention to?
I think it's really important that you know.
Blizzard, fuck you.
What the fuck is that? What is that?
I really don't like how they have a shield.
Let's wait till we get everybody.
US roster. That's when it's something to talk about.
Okay. Yeah, you do that. I'll take a piss.
Alright, you go ahead and do that.
I'm squeezing my hog to this. Gonna keep doing it even if you ban me.
Sure, man. Take 7 minutes and 9 months at the prime. Take 7 minutes. Take 2 7 minutes. 3 my dude.